Bill of Rights, Section 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be denied the equal protection of the law. Section 2. The right of the people to be secure in their person, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures of whatever nature and for any purpose shall be inviolable, and no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause to determine personally by the judge after examination under oath of affirmation of the particularly describing the place to be a search and person or things to be seized. Section 3. The privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court or when public safety or order requires otherwise as prescribed by law. Any, any evidence obtained in violation of the preceding section shall be inadmissible for any purpose in any proceeding. Section 4. No law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or not press or the right of the people peaceably to assemble the petition the government for redress of grievances. Section 5. No law shall be made respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, the free exercise and enjoyment of religious profession and worship without discrimination or preference shall forever be allowed. No religious test shall be required for exercise of civil political rights. Section 6. The liberty of abode and changing the same within the limits prescribed by law shall not be impaired except upon lawful order the court, neither shall the right travel to impaired except in the national security, public safety, or public health as the provided law. Section 7. The right of people to information on the matters of public concern shall be recognized. Access to official record and documents and papers pertaining to official acts, transaction, or decision as well as the government research data used as basis for policy development shall be approached the citizen subject to such limitation as the provided by law. Section 8. The right of the people, including the employed in the public and private sectors, to the unions, association, or societies for purposes and contrary law that be shall abridge. Section 9. Private property shall not be taken for public without just compensation. Section 10. No law impairing the obligation of contracts shall be passed. Section 11. Free access to the courts and quasi-judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person by any poverty. Section 12. Any person under investigation for the commission of an offense shall have the right to be informed of his right to remain silent and to have complete and independent counsel, pre- preferably of his own choice. If the person cannot afford the services of counsel, he must be provided with one. These rights cannot be waived except in writing and, presence of counsel. Section 13. All persons except those charged with offenses punishable by reclusion perpetua when evidence of guilt is strong shall be before conviction